There are 3 reasons why you should watch this video right now. 1, it beats work or studying or doing whatever else you're supposed to be doing, if only marginally. 2, did I already say it's better than work? Okay, so you only get 1 reason to watch, which should be enough. I mean, how many reasons do you need to do something that's fun and free and only takes 4 minutes? The answer is 0. So I gave you a bonus reason, which means I did more work than I had to. You tricked me! A lot of people have hobbies that I don't get. Model building, coin collecting, exercise. But they're into it, which is all that matters. But when you have kids, their hobbies sort of become your hobbies, whether you like it or not. American girl. So let's say your kid's into motocross racing, which means that you have to buy a motorbike, schlep it to wherever they have motocross races, and then sit there breathing exhaust fumes while 50 buzzing motorbikes whip around all over the countryside. If that's my kid, he better be pretty excited about being there. Okay, he seems pretty excited. Okay, he wins. On a scale from 1 to 10, his excitement level is 1,000. I wish I was that excited about anything ever. The thing with the most horsepower here is not the motorbike, it's him. I have to admit, if I was his dad and I was questioning this whole motocross thing, this would totally make it worth it. And it doesn't hurt that he's pretty good, too. Next up, let's stick with sports. How about a little football? And by little, I mean small. And by football, I mean wrestling. See? I've watched this video at least 25 times, and I still have no idea where the play is going or if there even was a play, which is what I love about it. Let me tell you why I love this. I love it because I can picture all these dads with their kids at the sporting goods store trying on these enormous helmets. I can picture moms squeezing their kids into all this equipment on Saturday morning. And I can picture the coaches trying to get all these kids who are underneath all this equipment to move in the right directions at the right times. I can picture all that time and expense and effort. And then when the whistle blows, they just hug whoever's in front of them and try to knock them to the ground. It's family, it's America, and it's adorable.
Good job. There you go. There you go.
Finally, you know how people say, if this happened, I would flip? Well, what if this was graduating from high school? That was awesome! Did you see that? That's amazing. The preparation, the level of difficulty, it would have taken practice because you only get 1 shot at it. What? No, not the backflip. Her hat! Her hat stayed on! Bam! If you like the video, there are 3 reasons you should share it. 1. Note to self. No more lists of reasons. Check back next Monday and we'll have some more fun. And until then,